Good morning, viewers, and welcome back to Live in Motion. I'm Rajka Pairusiki.
And I'm Ali Teguh Fariza. Lately it feels like jogging is everywhere. Parks, stadiums, city street, almost every morning and evening people are out for running.
Yeah, that's true, and it's interesting because jogging is no longer just about exercise. It's becoming part of people's daily lifestyle.
Exactly. People are not only coming to stay healthy, but also to socialize, join communities, and even document their activity on social media.
Yeah, and speaking of the communication, there's another unique trend growing alongside this jogging culture, like street photographers capturing runners during their workouts.
So, how did jogging evolve into this kind of social phenomenon? Our reporter has the story. Dera, what the atmosphere like there?
Yeah, hello Aldi. I'm currently at Doha City Park, one of the busiest jogging spot in the city. And as you can probably see behind me, that people are crowded for jogging and running in here since the early morning. People from all the ages, from the students to office workers, and even the family are spending their time jogging and enjoying the fresh air in here. That's amazing how the things that used to be a simple form of exercise now has become the modern lifestyle today.
As the sun rises, public space like Dada City Park slowly came alive with the sound of footsteps, conversation, and even laughter. More and more people are choosing jogging as a part of daily routine. For many, it's not only a way to stay physically healthy, but also a chance to refresh their minds after busy days and stressful routines. The growing awareness of healthy living has made jogging increasingly popular, especially among young people. And unlike in the past, jogging today is often combined with social activities. People come with friends, join running communities, and share their experience online.
And the atmosphere here feels more like the community gathering rather than just a place for exercise. And interestingly, there are more trends that appear alongside the jogging culture now. You may notice several photographers standing around the track waiting with their cameras ready, and they are known for taking candid photos of runners during their jogging sessions. And many jogger leaders search for their photos on social media, and for some people, getting a good running photo has become the part of experience itself. Now, to understand why this trend is become so popular, so let's talk directly to the one of the joggers here today. Now I'm here with the one of the joggers here today. Kak, boleh tahu namanya siapa, Kak?
Nama saya Muhammad Ajiad. Ya,
Sebagai apa?
saya kebetulan sebagai mahasiswa.
Nah, biasanya Kakak sendiri buat jogging di sini tuh emang udah biasa atau gimana, Kak?
Kebetulan saya di sini untuk jogging itu sudah biasa ya Kak. Kebetulan dalam satu minggu itu bisa sampai 3 sampai 4 kali Kak.
Oh, oke. Dan kenapa joggingnya memilih tempat ini tuh, memilih Taman Dadaha?
Mungkin karena atensi dari masyarakatnya ya Kak. Gitu banyak orang-orang yang jogging juga. Jadi mungkin itu memotivasi saya untuk ikut jogging Kak daripada jogging sendiri.
Nah, betul. Jadi ada teman gitu di
Ya,
sini ya.
betul,
Nah,
Kak.
nah, terus pendapat Kakak tentang fotografer-fotografer jogging yang ada di sini tuh kayak gimana?
Bagi saya itu unik ya Kak, karena mungkin jarang ya di beberapa tempat itu ada fotografer. Ya mungkin ada plus minusnya, mungkin plusnya itu jadi si yang jogging itu bisa memorable gitu Kak. Jadi bisa dikenang gitu bahwa saya jogging.
Oh,
Dan termotivasi juga gitu bisa di-upload di Instagram
Di
ya.
sosial media gitu.
Betul Kak
Oke.
ya.
Nah, terakhir nih Kak, pendapat Kakak terkait yang hari ini jogging tuh sudah menjadi bagian dari gaya hidup masyarakat modern. Gimana Kak?
Mungkin bagi saya pribadi itu sangat baik ya Kak. Ya karena kan jogging itu dari awalnya itu karena dari FOMO gitu ya Kak. FOMO. Kemudian banyak orang yang ikut kemudian menjadi terbiasa Kak gitu.
Iya, terbiasa.
Karena ada dampak positifnya kan, kita membuat diri kita menjadi sehat juga.
This interaction between the joggers and the photographers it's create a unique atmosphere here. So, what is this trends like from the photographer's point of view? Nah, sekarang saya sedang bersama salah satu fotografer jogging di sini. Boleh perkenalan dulu, namanya siapa?
Irsan.
Irsan.
Ya.
Oke. Nah, kakaknya sendiri udah moto-moto dari sini udah berapa menit Kak? Berapa jam kira-kira?
Paling 5 menit aja.
5 menitan gitu.
Ya.
Barusan gitu.
Ya,
Nah,
barisan.
apa sih yang membuat atau menginspirasi kakaknya buat memotret orang-orang yang lari di sini?
Buat dikirim ke WA gitu.
Oh,
Iya.
buat dijual lagi nanti
Iya,
berarti.
iya.
Oh, oke.
Ke IG-in lah.
Diupload ke IG
Ya,
gitu.
ya.
Oh,
Sama
oke.
TikTok gitu.
Nah, selain itu kira-kira dari kakaknya sendiri gitu. Biasanya momen yang sering diambil buat motret orang-orang sini momen seperti apa gitu, Kak?
Paling udah diambil teh itu ke IG-in sama ke TikTok gitulah. Diposting ya.
Oh iya, pasti diposting. Nah,
Buat sama kliennya diambil gitu.
momennya kayak apa, misal kayak yang jalan santai gini atau ada yang sibuk lari atau yang lagi ngobrol gitu.
Ya.
Biasanya momen seperti apa?
Lari saja lah.
Momen yang saat sedang lari gitu.
Ya.
Oke. Nah, menurut kakak sendiri apakah dengan adanya fotografer sini yang memotret, apakah itu membuat warga Tasik tuh semakin termotivasi buat lari di sini?
Ya.
Oh. More people becoming aware of the importance of health and well-being. Jogging now is more than just an exercise. It turns into a lifestyle that combines fitness, social interaction, and even creativity through photography. Reporting from Tasikmalaya, Raffi Rapatul Bari, back to the studio.
Yeah, thank you, Dara. It's really interesting to see how jogging has evolved into something much bigger than simply exercise.
Yeah, absolutely. It's not only about staying healthy anymore, but also about building connection, enjoying atmosphere, and then creating memorable experiences.
Yeah, and the presence of street photographers definitely adds a unique touch to the whole experience.
Yeah, hopefully this positive trend continues and inspire more people to live healthier and more active lifestyle.
Yeah, maybe we should start jogging this weekend too.
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
Yeah, I'm Rajka Perisitki.
I'm Aldi Teguh Fariza.
Thank you for watching and have a great day.